Professor Eric Martin here again, and welcome back to Gandhi Values and Ethics. By now, you should have looked around the course site a little bit, taken a look at the syllabus. If you got any questions about things, hopefully you've already sent me an email. And if you're here, you must be ready to get to work. So, welcome to Unit 1. Unit 1 is very simple. Just follow the written directions below. Really, under the complete the following. Introduce yourself on our discussion boards. It's useful for all of us to know who we're working with this semester. Make some sort of a contribution helping to set up the agenda. I've got a question for you to answer on the discussion boards concerning what you would like to learn and what you already may know a little bit of. That's all part of the experience of taking control of your own education. I've got a video that is coming through Films on Demand from the LCSC library. So if you have trouble with that video, you're going to need to contact the people at the library. It should all work. The video is called What is Right? It is a basic introduction to the field of ethics. Take notes. I've laid out a whole bunch of bullet points for you to take notes on. I'm not expecting y'all to become experts, but since we will be talking about ethics and values from this point forward, it seems like maybe we need to be able to know the difference between meta-ethics and applied ethics and normative ethics and that kind of stuff. Again, I'm not looking for expertise. I'm looking for you to make a honest effort at learning the material. And then there is a short quiz over that material. You can use your notes. And there you have it. It's really all there is for Unit 1. Now, look ahead to Unit 2 and to Unit 3. And I say that in the sense that I would like for you to start your reading now. Unit 2 starts in a week, and you need to be ready to start talking about it on Monday. And that means you need to have the reading completed by then. There's not a lot of reading for that unit. I think maybe it's 30 pages, and there's a lot of graphs and charts, so it's not that much reading. But there is a short essay called Understanding Ethical Reasoning. That is for next week. So go ahead and get started with that. But then the other thing that you really want to get started with, as I mentioned in the introductory video, you want to get started on Gandhi's autobiography. We're going to discuss part 1 of that autobiography week 3, and we're going to discuss part 2 of that autobiography week 4. So you want to go ahead and get into it. And if you read 20 pages every other night, the math probably adds up. I didn't do it quick enough in my head, but it's easy reading. It's easy reading, but you need to get started with it. That's my main point. Okay, that's all I've got to say for Unit 1. Again, if I can be of any assistance to you, making sure we get off to a good start, don't hesitate to send me a message through the course messages. And I hope all is well, and enjoy your studies.